This isn't just any pair of AirPods. This is so much more than a gadget for enjoying your favorite tunes or catching up on podcasts. This is a crucial tool for immigrants stepping into a new country before mastering the local language. For the Trekkies among us, this is the closest thing we've come to in 2024 to the Star Trek communicator. Meet the TimeKettle WT2 Edge language translator. In today's video, I'll walk you through the pros and cons and share my thoughts on who could really benefit from this device. Let's dive in. First, let's go back to the unboxing. All right, so in the box, you get this little manual that shows you the product, has a little quick start guide, and tells you about the different modes, the warranty information, and is also in several different languages, which is kind of neat. So the earbuds, here's the case for the TimeKettle earbuds. Let me put this up here so you can see these up close. And they open up from the bottom, and you have two earbuds. So you have an earbud for the right-hand side and also one for the left-hand side. Now you have to remove this plastic strip in order for them to begin to charge. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's take out the plastic strip, put them in the case, and immediately they start to charge from the case. As you can see the little light there, illuminated. These are pretty small. I like this case, and they can also show you on the LED. You see how it has lights to let you know that the case is charged, it's fully charged. So that's kind of neat. They also give you a TimeKettle flash card. A couple other things that's included in the box would be the ear loop. So you get an ear loop for the earbuds, as well as a charging cable, USB-C charging cable. So this kind of answers one of my questions about just, thinking about a product like this and how you would use it with multiple people. This answers one of my questions, which is these are silicone ear, kind of like ear covers, so you can wipe these off and not actually contaminate the earbuds. So it looks like you get a couple sets of these. Yeah, there's two sets of these in the bag. So that's good. So multiple people can use these, and you can just swap out the ear covers, which is kind of neat. They sell these online, so you can get extra sets if you need them, but I'm glad that they include a pair in the box. All right, let's test this product out. Now, I've been putting the TimeKettle Translator earbuds to the test in various daily situations for almost 3 months. Straight off the bat, I can tell you that the app and the earbuds are incredibly user-friendly. Pairing them is a snap, and starting a translated conversation is just as easy. The device came with a bonus from TimeKettle, which are credits for downloading languages for offline use, a handy feature for those moments when you don't have internet access. Though in offline mode, it excels at converting English to Spanish better. While offline is a solid feature, the WT2 Edge shines brightest when it's connected to your phone with mobile data. Exploring the WT2 Edge translation modes, I found myself gravitating towards the speaking mode, which made me feel like I was a dignitary in a United Nations meeting experiencing near real-time translation. It was impressively accurate. Initially, my goal with the WT2 Edge was to expand my Spanish media consumption and assist me with learning the language. However, I found that my level of Spanish comprehension, which is about a B1, has somewhat surpassed what this device is best used for. But imagine being in a place like China and not knowing Chinese, for example. This device would be a phenomenal complement to your trip. Now let's talk about a mode that's incredibly useful for those who don't speak Spanish in Mexico, the touch mode. I'll show you a quick demonstration by me and my buddy Julio. All right, so I'm here with my brother Julio Leal, world famous TikToker from Merida, and we're gonna test this TimeKettle iTranslate device. He and I have played with this before, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like on the screen. So,
yo estoy escuchando ahorita lo que me estás diciendo.
So I just heard he's listening right now to what he's telling me. So let me, I'm gonna say, Julio, speak Tell me about something, but use Yucatec in Spanish.
Bueno, está bien, pues vamos a comer un pancito allá a la Plaza Grande de Mérida. Oye, ¿cómo está la heladez en tu casa? Estás durmiendo en tu hamaca y pones tu periódico abajo de ella.
No, we don't sleep in hammocks. Only in the bed. Thank you, Julio. I appreciate you playing with me with this thing. We got to take this to Merida Central and make one of your famous TikTok videos.
Perfecto. Muchas gracias, Monty. Un placer. Cuídate mucho.
The touch mode bridges the communication gap, allowing you to touch the headset, speak in your native language like English, and the other person hears the translated version in Spanish and vice versa. The touch mode is perfect for daily interactions, such as giving clear instructions to workers at your home or in emergency situations where clear communication is crucial. While this device is close to perfect for translation, there are a few shortcomings that I would like for you to consider. First, the disparity between the offline and the online experience. While offline does provide translation, again, better for English to Spanish and vice versa, it does experience some drops when catching all of the words. The online experience is much better. The other thing is, because these are earbuds, you need to use silicone covers for sanitary reasons if you're sharing the device. In the unboxing, the headphones came with silicone covers, but you would need to buy more if you're going to be using these with many people. The other con I would like for you to consider is that in noisy environments, this device has some challenges with translation. And the final con is that it's near real time, but it's not real time. There is a minor annoyance when it comes to the slight delay in the translation. But let's end this review on the high notes. The translation quality is exceptional, possibly even better than Google Translate. The device is well crafted and conveniently portable because it's earbuds. The technical support from TimeKettle was outstanding. They were very instrumental in overcoming my initial offline mode issues, impressing me greatly. Now, do you think these earbuds would be a great help to you on a day-to-day basis if you were using them here in Mexico? Leave me comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts. So my final thought is that the TimeKettle Translator WT2 Edge earbuds are ideal for those who find learning Spanish challenging, but essential for day-to-day communication. I highly recommend these earbuds to anyone looking to bridge the communication gap, making the transition to Mexico even smoother. You can find a link to this product in the description notes below. Be sure to leave your thoughts on this video in the comments below. And until next time, MexitPlans Monty, I'm out.